Good morning, students. So today's online class we have written or done a paragraph which is in your syllabus, that is my pet. So very interesting topic, and I hope this is the topic from whom you feel yourself related with, that is pet. This is the small paragraph which I have dictated in the class. If the students, those who have missed to attend the class, they can write the paragraph from here also. And first I will read the paragraph, and those who are not able to do it from here and the class, I will share this paragraph in the group also. So this is a paragraph, and only once I am going to just read it, then we will do the exercises of that chapter, God of River. So we keep pets for pleasure. Some people keep dogs as pets, others keep birds, pigeon or rabbit as pets. Pets are like our family member. They are carefully fed. Pet owners always protect their pets from danger. I have a dog as my pet. His body is covered with soft white fur. My dog is very active and playful. He loves me and is very obedient. My pet dog fulfills all the qualities of a friend. My pet is always ready to obey my orders. Students, you can add some more lines to this paragraph. And now I'm going to have the exercises. So the paragraphs are necessary. That's why I have narrated or dictated in the classroom, and you should write it in your English fair copy. Now, the exercises which we have done about the river. One second. God of River. I think we have done the question answers. We discussed about the life skill questions. The question was, how do we knowingly or unknowingly contribute to the water pollution? That was your home assignment, and I hope everyone has done that homework. So now today we are going to do from A6. The teacher solves Ramesh's problem by suggesting to him the way of garbage disposal. Ramesh recollects the instructions to convey them to his father. Help him in doing so. Dig a pit outside the house. Put the garbage into the pit. Next, cover the pit with leaves. Leave the pit for few days. Leave the pit. Don't here the P is missing, so don't write this wrong spelling. It's pit. P-I-T. Pit. For few days. The garbage will turn into manure. If it is not clear, you can write it from here. M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure. Use the manures in the field. Next, now frame a sentence of instruction for sowing a sapling. You may use the words given below. Now, what we have to do, we have to use these words which is in the help box, and we have to write or frame some set of instructions for which will be related from the sowing a sapling. And all of you are everyone knows how a plant used to grow in the field. And if you have visited your village house, definitely those people who are related from villages knows how the grain used to be, the crops are grown in the fields, how the farmers, what process did they adapt. So now here what we have to do, we have to make some set of instruction for other people by framing some set of instruction for sowing sapling. We will use the words given below. Suppose the first word is dig, then what will be our first statement? Dig a pit in the field. And like that, the words which are in the box, we have to use them for making set of instructions. So dig a pit in the ground, remove the soil from there. Now place sapling in the pit, cover the soil, water the sapling, and protect the sapling from hot sun, birds and animals. See, it's very easy. You should not to do, you should only add noun or pronoun. See on the first row of words, this one, dig, pit or ground. Now what we have to do, we have to make a sentence by using these three words. See, you can see here on the first, dig, the instructions which are given in here. Dig a pit outside of the house. Same way you should write over here. Dig a pit in the ground. Dig a pit in the ground. Next instruction will be place the sapling into the pit. Next will be next instruction will be place the sapling into the pit. After that, cover the pit with the soil. Cover the pit with the removed soil. Fine. Now water the sapling. Now when the pit is covered, we have to, what we have to do, we have to give water to that sapling. So water the sapling. And last will be protect the sapling. That is protect the sapling from hot sun, birds and animals. So these things we have to use, and in this way we have to make the instructions for sowing the sapling. Now read the given poster carefully. Now what you have to do, you have to make this dustbin in your copy. It is a poster. Use dustbin. Do not throw garbage into the river. Do not throw garbage on the road. है ना? If you want that our surroundings must be clear, it is necessary that we make a habit of using dustbin. So that's all for today's class. Students, we will do the some more exercises, and we will discuss about a small poster, similar poster on the topic of water pollution, as we have seen today the use of dustbin. On tomorrow's online class, we try to join that class.